Do you want to know how you can add a post or story on your Telegram account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add a post or story on your Telegram account. Without wasting any time, let's go ahead and start with the video. Go ahead and open Telegram on your phone, click on the three lines which you can see on the top left hand side and go to my profile. If you scroll a bit down, you can see post and you can see add a post. Go ahead and click add a post and you can click a photo or you can upload a video or you can go to your gallery and upload a video as well. So go ahead and click a photo and click next after you want to write a caption or you want to add stickers or text or re-edit your photo. After you're done, you can see that there's option of 24 hours, 48 hours, and you can go ahead and click on one of these and you can see that you can even record the audio. So after you're done, go ahead and click next and you can post the story on your profile for everyone, for your contacts or your close friends. So after you do so, go ahead and click post story. And there you go. You can see that you have now added a post to your your Telegram channel. So go ahead and click on it and you can view it. So this was a video on how you can post a photo or video on your Telegram channel. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.